Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. Do a Via Ferrata climbing, a Klettersteig called Hausbach waterfall. And there you can see some people climbing, and that is what we are gonna do. So let's go and explore it. The Via Ferrata starts from the beautiful town of Reit and Winkl. So here is my team. The guys, I'm gonna climb. This here is the topography. You can see the type is mostly A and B with a bit of section C here and there until you reach the top. And this here you can see is the waterfall, so you are doing the Klettersteig just beside it. So this here in the background you see is the sling that we need to do, a zip line, and that is a little bit of fun. And we are gonna take some drone shots here. And right here you can see is the waterfall. So we started around 10:30, 10:45 to do the Via Ferrata, and here we are. It's 12:30 now, and this gentleman, you can see after completing, he got a reward of drinking a beer. So yeah, it's an amazing waterfall Via Ferrata that you must do. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.